Let's compare the Moen lounge hook to the command hook. And both of these are nice things to have in your bathroom if you want to hang up something fairly light in the case of the command here. So, maybe you want to hang up a item next to the tub, like you want to have a towel that people can use next to the sink, that type of thing. This is a great option. It has a nice design. It's actually plastic, but it kind of has a stainless steel look. On the other hand, the Moen Lounge can support some heavier items. So like a robe can definitely work for a small towel, that kind of thing, but it'll support a robe or two robes even. And the biggest difference here is that with the Moen Lounge hook, this actually has to go into the wall. So you have to install it directly into a stud or using drywall anchors, and that makes it super secure. This is also metal versus the command hook is plastic. And because it's anchored into the wall, you can put heavier things on it. The command hook is not anchored into the wall. It uses the command adhesive to attach to the wall, and it is fully removable. But that means it's not going to support as much weight. And I usually try to limit it to things that are a couple of pounds for the command hook versus the Moen, you can put a much heavier item on there. The biggest advantage though with the command hook, it's super easy to position. You can put it anywhere you want. It is removable from the painted wall, and that makes it a great option. Also, if you're looking for a hook for a rental, for a dorm room, anything where you can't attach things permanently to the wall.